Hey guys, my name is Shelby. I'm one of the co-owners of Too Lucky Merch, and today we are shipping out our holiday orders. So we had a great holiday. Hope you guys did too. So let's get to work. So this is our little work studio. Right now it's a mess. So before we get started, let's straighten up a little bit so we have some space to work. Big hat or regular? Just regular. Ew, what's that? Brother, ew. Yeah, so something like this, we won't sell it because the quality is bad. If we did sell it, we'll probably put it in like a oops kind of category so that you already know that something's up with the hat. But if you want it at a cheaper price, I mean that's what you can get.
We're taping up boxes to add to the collection.
So right now I'm organizing the labels because we don't want to mess up. So if we do each design by itself, it's less likely we're gonna mess up. So that's what I'm doing. All right, so we finished doing the hat, so now we're about to do the t-shirts. So these are the shirts we have. I'm just gonna lint roll everything because we have a dog in the shed, so we want to make sure there's no hair on these shirts. After I organize the shirts, I'm gonna start heat pressing them, and I'm gonna show you that process. All right, so these are all the hats that we packed. They're gonna be ready to go out tomorrow. We got some shirts we about to do. About to hook up little Bertha right here and heat press these shirts. So we can also have these ready for pickup. This is a DTF transfer. This is what we're going to put on those shirts that I just showed you in the last clip. So this is one of our popular designs. It says Kanto Indigo League Champion, and it's one of the quickest ways that we can put a design on the shirt, and it's also, the quality is also pretty good too. So this is what we're gonna put on some of the shirts. We also have a different design, this Hoenn one. It's also going on the shirts as well. Finish pressing the shirts. They flip the camera. These are the shirts right here. Wait.
So right now I have moved the tags from the shirts. I am now putting our custom labels on the shirt. I'm going to press it down and also rip off the plastic. So now you see the size tags and how to wash it. This is Echo. And I'm Ebony, and I'm the co-owner of Too Lucky Merch. Right now, I'm getting these orders ready to ship. Big one. So there is no outro to this video, but we end up doing 2 trips to UPS and dropping off all the packages so y'all can have them in time after the holidays. But yeah, that's the end of this video. We'll see you in our next video.